I'ma be doing my own challenge today.
But it's my own challenge.
According to this ice cream cup, I need to put this stuff in here. Mess up, this is gross. Oh, these are hard. These are freaking so hard. Look, they're literally like bouncy balls. Seriously, I am not eating this. I'd rather eat dog food. Alright, here we have some real dog food. Please don't shame me of this when I get to school. Please don't make fun of me. I'm just doing it for the entertainment. So please, let's take... Hey! Oh. I regret this. Oh. Oh. I need something. It tastes like if you start with meat and then you end with like a cup of spinach and then you just like mix that together with like yak poo. That's what it tastes like. That was it for today, guys. Bye.